Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how the major scales are coming from chromatic scale. So firstly I have written here the chromatic scale. Now you can see first I have written here C major scale. So my first note is C, then in tone D, then in tone E, then semitone F, again tone G, then tone A, then again tone it will be B, then it will be C. Because in that way, in just we'll have to take it in circle form. So in the case of C major scale, there is no sharp, no flat. But in case of G major scale, when I have to start from G, so G, then tone will be A, then next tone will be B, semitone C, then D, then tone E, then tone F sharp, then G. So you can see F sharp is coming in G major scale. Now next example is D major scale. In the case of D major, D is here, then tone E, then F sharp, then semitone G, then tone A, then tone B, then again tone C, C sharp, then semitone D. So you can see here in the case of D major scale, two sharps are coming, F sharp and C sharp. Now in the case of A major scale, the root note is A, then tone B, then again tone C sharp, semitone D, then tone E, again tone F sharp, then again tone G sharp, then semitone A. Now in the case of E major scale, E tone is F sharp, then G sharp, semitone A, tone B, then C sharp, tone, then D sharp, again tone, then semitone E. Now in the case of B major scale, root note is B, tone will be C sharp, then tone D sharp, semitone E, tone F sharp, tone G sharp, then tone A sharp, then semitone B. Now this scale is very interesting, like in case of F sharp major scale. So root note is F sharp, then tone will be G sharp, again tone A sharp, semitone will be B, then tone C sharp, then tone D sharp, then tone it has to be F, but in the place of F we'll have to write E sharp. And in last video I said E sharp means F. So E sharp will be equal to F. So in this place I will write here E sharp, then tone F sharp. Sorry, this will be semitone. E sharp, then semitone F sharp. Now in this side the notes will come which having is the scales which having flat signs. So root note is F, then tone G, again tone A, semitone B flat. Now we'll not use A sharp term here. There is one more reason, that A and A sharp. So both can't come. So that is out of root. So when the next note will have to come. So that will come in the form of flat sign. B flat, then tone C, then tone D, then again tone E, semitone F. Now next B flat scale, B flat, tone C, tone D, semitone E flat, then tone F, tone G, again tone A, semitone B flat. Now in the case of E flat major scale, root note is E flat, then tone F, tone G, semitone A flat, tone B flat, again tone C, again tone D, then semitone E flat. Now in the case of A flat major scale, A flat, then tone B flat, then tone C, semitone D flat, then tone E flat, then tone F, tone G, then semitone A flat. Now in the case of D flat major scale, D flat, then tone E flat, again tone F, then semitone, that will be G flat, then A flat, then B flat, then tone C, semitone D flat. Now this is one more scale, and both scales are known as enharmonic to each other, F sharp and G flat. If you see, both are having same, this F sharp and or G flat, both is same. But when we have to write in the form of flat G flat sign, So the first note is G flat, then tone A flat, then tone B flat. Now semitone is supposed to come B, but we'll have to write here C flat, because C flat is equal to B. Then tone D flat, then tone E flat, again tone F, then semitone G flat. So you can see the if you see the scales which are coming in this side, then every time the number of sharps are increasing. Like in the case of G major scale, 1 sharp, D major scale, 2 sharps, A major scale, 3 sharps, E major scale, 4 sharps, B major scale, 5 sharps, F sharp major scale, they're having 6 sharps. Now in the same way, if you see the scales which having flat signs, so in the case of F major scale, 1 flat, that is B flat. In the case of B flat major scale, B flat and E flat, both will be flat. Now E flat major scale, E flat, A flat, B flat, 3 flats are coming. In the case of A flat major scale, A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat. So 4 flats are coming. In the case of D flat major scale, 5 flats has to come. D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. So you can see these are all 5. Now in the case of G flat major scale, 6 flats. G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, then D flat, E flat, 6. Because we will not repeat, will not count the last one, because already we have started the first one. So this is the number. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. Thank you very much for joining.